Hi, this is Nick George with a scissor demonstration from scissors. They're sort of like anvil, and some monks, and we got some handmade Japan galaxy shears. Pretty nice, super tight. So let's test these and just see what's going on. Yeah, you really can't even make them cut at the tips. I hope they're not bent, but we'll sharpen them and make sure. And then here's the from scissors. They don't cut at the tips. See, it just pulls. And these are some monks. These are super old. Probably, I'd say 15 years. They're super used. I'm pretty sure I can still get them to work. I got me a pair of monks I use for my beard. Alright, well, let's get to work and get to business. I'm gonna have to take a lot off these scissors. See what happened, guys? Bad sharpener got a hold of this one. He ground that way. That's bad. I'm gonna have to remove that whole lip. Yeah, you can see it shining. I hope I can fix these. There we go, that looks much better. See, it's not shiny. That's good. Alright, let's test these. This is the Japan Galaxy shears. All the way. Very nice, no pulling. Here's the fronds. And here's the messed up monks that I hopefully repaired. Yay. Keep it sharp, keep it looking good, keep it well, keep these scissors coming in. I love scissors. See ya. Bye.